guys, welcome back to Ava's World, and today we're going to be opening 3 more puzzlemals. So, if you didn't watch the last video, they are schleich and they're called puzzlemals. One half is in here and the other half is here. So, last time we got 5 farm world. Today we got 1 farm world and 2 wildlife. So let's begin with farm world. So we go off from last time. I'll just see if I can rip it open first. There we go. So last time we got the front of the cat, but I got this one to see if I could get a different one for the back. And we got a pig for the back. Here it is. So I'll just put that one aside. And then they're both gorillas at the front, so we'll do this one. Try and open it like this one. Yeah, it always works now. Ooh, we got a fox and a gorilla. That's cool. And then the next gorilla one. Ooh, I think we got a lion cub. I think that is. That's so cool. So yes, you can mix and match the farm world and the wildlife. So we could do this. Yeah. That's it for today. Bye guys.